Trump initiates healthcare discussions amidst White House shutdown, meeting failures. The looming government shutdown set for early Wednesday has become increasingly likely after congressional leaders walked away from a critical Oval Office meeting with President Donald Trump devoid of any agreement. Nevertheless, there are signs that bipartisan talks relating to the extension of health insurance subsidies, an important demand from Democrats, might be in the works. Vice President J.D. Vance mentioned, "Let's work on it together," while emphasizing that any discussions must occur with a functioning government. Trump also indicated a willingness to engage in discussions on subsidies, although participants noted a shutdown would hinder those talks. Democrats, however, expressed skepticism over vague promises for future negotiations, asserting that without immediate action, they feel pushed aside. "We believe when they say later, they actually mean never," Schumer asserted. He and Jeffries highlighted the urgency for Congress to address a GOP healthcare crisis, referencing recent Medicaid cuts and potential increases in premiums for around 20 million Americans relying on ACA exchanges. Senate Republicans criticized Democrats for rejecting a straightforward funding bill, while Democrats blame Republicans for leveraging unrelated policy disputes during budget negotiations. Insiders described the closed meeting as honest, but indicative of the significant distance between the parties. Trump, in asserting that Democrats need to adjust their proposals, seemed doubtful about any imminent agreement. In a strategic turn, he met with Schumer and Jeffries, reversing a previous cancellation, as some within his party perceive a desire to avert a shutdown. Nevertheless, divisions appear to exist. As Schumer suggested, Trump acknowledged he would shoulder the political repercussions of a government closure, a claim contested by other sources about the meeting. Monday's encounter marked Trump's first formal assembly with top Democratic leaders since his inauguration for a second term. As the meeting unfolded, both sides conveyed varying expectations for a resolution. Jeffries insisted that any agreement must be solidified legally, while Schumer noted a readiness to collaborate. As negotiations move forward, the backdrop of healthcare, specifically the extension of premium tax credits, is being intertwined with budget discussions, despite GOP leaders being wary of a potential backlash from conservatives in their ranks opposing such extensions. The pressure mounts on Democrats to find a solution, as confirmed by Senate GOP leaders suggesting votes on funding measures that could prolong debates further.